Hello Amaravati and hello Drone Hackathon. This is Rajesh Bairampalli of Tridex Systems. Today I'm diving into how drones are revolutionizing crop health monitoring in India's agricultural sector. If you're into cutting-edge tech, stick around because this is going to blow your mind. India's farmers face massive challenges with pest infestations and nutrient deficiencies. These issues can devastate crop yields and threaten food security. The traditional approach? Slow, labor-intensive and prone to human error. Imagine walking through acres of fields trying to spot tiny pests or subtle signs of nutrient problems. Yeah, not efficient. But here's where it gets exciting. Enter the drone swarm system. Picture a fleet of drones equipped with advanced sensors and AI-based analytics soaring over vast fields. This isn't sci-fi, this is now. These drones use aerial multispectral imaging and thermal sensors to detect early signs of pest infestations, nutrient deficiencies, and other crop stress indicators. Why is this a game changer? First, it's all about speed and accuracy. Drones can autonomously cover large agricultural fields, collecting and analyzing data in real time. This means that farmers get actionable insights instantly. No more waiting for weeks to figure out what's wrong with the crops. Second, it's about precision. These drones can pinpoint exactly where the problem areas are, allowing for targeted interventions. This not only improves yield, but also reduces pesticide usage and optimizes fertilization practices. Think of it as giving farmers superpowers to identify and tackle issues before they spiral out of control. Imagine a farmer receiving a notification on their phone, highlighting specific areas of the field that need attention. It's like having a personal crop health monitor that never sleeps. This technology ensures timely interventions, significantly reducing crop damage and boosting productivity. Now, let's talk about the tech behind it. Off-the-shelf drones paired with sophisticated sensors and AI algorithms. The drones capture multispectral images that reveal information invisible to the naked eye. Meanwhile, thermal sensors detect temperature variations that can indicate stress or disease. The AI analyzes this data and provides clear, actionable insights. So why does this matter? In a country where agriculture is the backbone of the economy, improving crop health monitoring can make a significant difference. It's not just about technology. It's about empowering farmers, ensuring food security, and fostering sustainable practices. That's it for today, folks. If you're as excited about drone technology as I am, let's work together with Tridex Systems and empower our farmers with technology. Again, this is Rajesh Bairampalli of Tridex Systems.